Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Friday. We like Fridays.
I do.
And they like paydays.
Yes!
Today's payday.
Yes,
Do
we
it, right?
do.
Yeah, that 10 cents really adds up. So,
He's getting 10?
oh. Anyways, so, here we have, this is starter crown, and then we're going to have another piece of crown. So your ceiling is always wavy, just due to the rafters and everything else. None of that really gets ever planed. So when the cabinets come, these are 84-inch tall cabinets. So we put a starter crown or starter mold, some people call it, up here. Then Raj, if you hand me that longer piece of crown mold. This, may not be perfectly consistent if you were to just try to do one piece. So in order to fix that wave, we put this piece just like this. So any wave or different in height, you would have to visually see it here and here. And when this is only an 1/8 inch different, your eye is not going to pick up on that. Versus if it was like this to an 1/8 inch different, your eye can visually see that line. So we installed all of our cabinets. We got our starter molds already on yesterday. Corey can pan over there. You can see what the crown looks like here. And even on this one, we're even tight on the corners and in the center. And even with the crown, you can have that little dip in there, but that's a lot better than trying to flex a true 1x4. And this will get caulked and painted in and everything. So, caulk and paint, make what a carpenter ain't.
We're going to need a lot of that.
So, here you go, Raj. You can do your fancy install. Scaring me with standing on
I
the
stood on the edge and didn't do it.
Well, that's because you weigh 92 pounds.
There you go.
It's 94. He had breakfast.
Breakfast
2-pounder breakfast.
and a coffee.
You're crazy, man.
And then we're using a. Whoa, let me see what this is. Whoa, that's such a big gun you have.
Thank you.
We're using a Hitachi.
Hitachi?
Hitachi?
It's French.
I usually like DeWalt, but DeWalt doesn't have a good pin nailer, so you got to use Porter cable. And my Porter cable one doesn't have a soft nose. It's right here. See, no soft nose because it's missing. Fell off in the trailer, so we need a soft nose one. So this is the one we have,
Why do we need a soft nose?
so that it doesn't leave dents in the wood. And who wants a hard nose? Just a brown nose.
Yours is kind of large.
Yeah, I got it. So it's the Hitachi NP35a, which is a pin nailer, which these are pin nails. And well, I was looking at the arrow at the same time and reading. So yeah. Oh,
It was like the first one that stuck out.
of course it was. Then you got to glue your outside corners. And the reason for gluing is that once everything is caulked and painted, if it's not glued, you could have a corner that opens up or swells up. Versus once it's got a little dab of glue on it, it'll stay nice and strong.
How
You need me to push that for you?
Look at that beautiful corner.
Let's see. We're going to pin through both pieces. Hopefully not a thumb. Let's do one more to hold it. There we go.
Would you say you nailed it?
I pinned it.
Oh.
I mean, I nailed
Yeah.
it. That's right.
Some people don't know the tagline.
Screwed it.
He's fired at the end of the day.
Yeah.
No pay.